I'm sure you've seen those viral AI videos blowing up on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. They get millions of views, they have weird cinematic shots, or they're perfectly recreated movie scenes. And every time you think, how did they actually make these? Well, in this video, I'm about to show you because there's a new AI tool called Flova that lets you literally point it at a viral video, drop in a single sentence, and recreate it. This means no 12 tabs open, no paying for Sora, Kling, Veo, Midjourney, and 11 Labs separately, and it means that you only need one platform and one prompt. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use this tool, and I'm going to share with you 3 use cases that you can actually use this tool to be able to make money with AI. Now, Flova right here makes it incredibly easy for us to be able to recreate viral videos for so many different reasons. But the first one that I wanted to emphasize is that you're not going to have to pay $120 a month to 5 different subscriptions because you are literally going to be able to access every model that you could think of directly from inside of here. On top of that, as we can see in the top right hand corner right here, they give you 200 free credits once you sign up, and they give you an extra 200 credits every single week that you log in. And as you're going to see, this is literally the closest thing you could get to having a full video production team all inside of one chat. Because this actually goes through and integrates all of these different video models, all of these different image models, all of these different music models, and all these different narration models, all from inside of one chat. What's pretty cool, if you actually don't want to go through and manually choose which model you want to pick, it will actually choose the model for you based on what you're trying to create. And since you have this chat interface right here, whenever you get stuck with something, you can actually use this as a brainstorm partner and ask it for feedback or advice or for new ideas. But what really makes this powerful is going to be these skills right here. So we could see that we could come over here and we could see all of these different featured skills. The one that we're actually going to be using inside of this video right here is going to be this reference to video remix. Basically what this allows you to do is this allows you to actually upload a video, and it is going to extract the script, the shot structure, the visual language, and the rhythm, and then it's going to generate a brand new video around your own theme based on this using Nano Banana and Dance 2.0. And if we actually click into content right here, this goes through all of the different logic that this is going to actually use. And we could see right here that this is a lot, which really makes this incredibly useful. So if we come over here, let's say we come over to home, we could choose this skill right here. What this is then going to allow us to do is actually upload a video that we want to reference. For example, if we come over to TikTok and type in something like fruit drama, we could see that there are tons of different videos that have gone viral. For example, this one day ago, if we actually click into this video, we could see that it's gotten 1.6 million views literally in just one day. What we're actually going to be able to do is we're going to be able to grab this video right here. We could come back over in here. I am then going to actually click on video right here, and we're going to be able to upload this download right here. And what we're going to say is we're going to say recreate this fruit video with a new scene/plot. Then what we're going to be able to do from here is we're actually going to be able to click on generate. And now this is actually going to be able to go through and be able to do this. So we can see right here on the right hand side, we have reference video skill. We also have the video that we uploaded right here, and we say recreate this fruit video with a new scene and a new plot. This goes through, actually loads up the skill. So it says, let me load the reference to video skill and analyze the uploaded fruit video at the same time. So now this is actually going through, and this is looking at the original video that we uploaded right here. It's running an agent analysis. It's doing this with multimodal, so it's going to be taking into consideration the audio, it's going to take into consideration the video, it's going to take into consideration the pacing. And this literally goes through and gets everything, all the different details, all the lighting, all of the pacing, the atmosphere, the music. It literally gets everything and breaks all of this down. Then from here, this is actually going through and this is extracting all of the different assets. We can see every few seconds it's going through and actually getting all the different assets. It's going through and actually extracting the audio. And what this is then going to do is this is going to learn and this is going to study what this viral video actually did correctly so that we can remix it and recreate it incredibly easily. So we could see right here, great analysis, the reference video features, goes through fruit characters in a dramatic 3D animated family story. Now let me write the video spec before actually creating a fresh storyboard. Now this is going through, this is actually writing up the video spec right here. So everything that we actually need inside of our video. Now it's going through and it's actually going to create the storyboard right here. And then this is actually going to recreate the viral video with this. And as we can see here, this is more of like an AI viral content system and not just recreating a video or a video generator, because with this skill, this literally goes through, breaks down everything that this video did correctly. It creates a spec list for the video that we're going to be creating. In addition to that, it's also going through and literally creating a storyboard for what we are going to be creating. So it goes through, does all of the planning, analyzes the video. This handles everything. And we could see right here that this is now actually going through, and this has exactly how long our story is going to be, all of the different characters. It's going to have 3 different characters. It has the audio right here. And then the next step is to actually go through and generate all this. So if we wanted to, we could go through, we could adjust the story right here. We could change the characters, or we could change anything else. I personally like all of this, so I'm going to tell it to generate the characters and the scene reference images. We're going to click on send. Now this is going to go off and do that. But if we wanted to change anything, we could get it to change or edit anything that we want it to. Now, by the way, as it goes off and does that, I did want to show you that if we actually come over here into the skills section again, you could create your own skill if you wanted to. You'd be able to give it a name. You'd be able to actually go through the process. You'd be able to go through the asset analyzation right here. And if you wanted to actually have it create the storyboard design, media generation, prompt writing, video editing, you'd be able to do that. And if you don't know what a skill is, essentially what it is an SOP or a process that Flova is then going to follow every single time that it goes through and creates something, so that you actually have consistency in the videos that you generate, which is going to help you go viral. It's going to help you stay consistent. And this is what really makes this powerful versus other AI video generation tools. So we can see right here that if we wanted to, we can actually optimize our skill right here, literally just by entering this skill idea that we have that we wanted to create, or we could even upload some text right here or a PDF if we found a write-up somewhere else or a different skill that we wanted to remix or recreate. And what I really wanted to emphasize here, because what this video is really about is being able to replicate several different viral videos, or being able to replicate a viral video several different times, is how this in this chat actually goes through and breaks down all of this. So not only could we get this to make one video, but we could get this to make 3, 4, 5, 10 videos, all on different topics using the same characters, the same story arc that's going to allow us to go viral time in and time out. And we can see that this is now almost done, actually generating all these different assets. Okay, so now we could see that this is actually going through, and this is actually creating all of these different image elements right here, and this is generating all these in real time. So we're going to have what all of these different characters are going to look like and all these different scenes. Next, actually generating multiple different versions of each one of these. In addition to that, we actually have what all of the scenes and all the different backgrounds that are going to show are going to look like, and we could see that this is literally generating all of these different assets right here, which is insane, because this would be like a week's worth of work that this is now completing in seconds. Now we could see that this generated all these different characters in all of these different motions, all these different references, so that it will actually be able to be used right here. And now we can actually get this to go through and be able to generate all of this. So all of these different reference images, I personally think look great. So we're going to tell it that right here. We're going to send it. Now this is actually going to proceed to generate all 6 video clips using these characters and the scenes references as visual anchors. And then guess what? Probably the most important part, once this is actually created, we could go through like a director and be able to change any different parts of this individual video that we want to, which is pretty crazy. Okay, and now we can actually see right here that this has gone through and this has created all of these different shots right here. We can actually click into each of these and see what each of these videos look like. It's absolutely insane. It has sound. It has them getting mad at each other. It has them actually talking to each other. And this is incredible. Now, what else is really cool is that this is now going to actually go through. It's going to create the audio track, and it's actually going to mix all of these together and create the finalized video. But as you can see right here, we could literally go through like a director and get it to regenerate anything. We could get it to edit anything, and we could actually go through each of these different individual clips that this just created in order to see all these different scenes before it combines them all. Okay, and now that this entire video is done here, we could go through like this on a timeline. We could edit it, we could adjust it however we want, or we could watch the entire thing and we could see that this just recreated a 1 and 18-second video, which is absolutely insane. Now I'm going to show you what this actually looks like.
You're trying to push her out of business? Really? It's okay, dear.
Now, before I walk you through my 3 favorite use cases for actually using this tool to make money with AI, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Flova today. Once you sign up, they're going to give you 200 free credits, which makes this a true no-brainer to start using. Now, the first use case for how to actually use this to make money is exactly what we saw with these fruit videos right here. As we can see, this creator has gained 70,000 followers and they have gone viral several different times. In fact, they've gone viral dozens of times. And if we actually look at their page and we come over to, let's say, this video right here that got 2.6 million views, we could see that this was just 1 week ago. So on average, this creator is getting millions of views every single week. And if we look at each of their pieces of content, they're all over 1 minute long. And guess what that means? That means that they're getting paid from the TikTok Creator Rewards program. And not only could you do this on TikTok, you could post the same exact content on Instagram and get paid for it, on Facebook and get paid for it, on YouTube Shorts and get paid for it. And guess what? You could create all this content with AI by simply just coming back into the same chat, uploading a new theme that you want to actually create content around. It will use the same characters. It will go through and create the content for you. And now you have a content machine and a monetization machine through short form content on all these different platforms. The second use case is actually going to be able to use this to create different product videos. For example, if we come down here over in skills, we could see that we have this product commercial skill right here. And guess what? If we click into this, we could see this will quickly create AI commercial advertisements that have professional level visual effects and creative stories for our project. And guess what we could do? We could come over to home right here. And then we could actually come over into the skills and choose that skill, the product commercial right here, and we could say, please create a product commercial for these viral baseball shorts. And then what we're going to do is actually come over to a website right here, be able to find some viral shorts. So if we actually click into these shorts right here, we could see something like these Jackson Olsen shorts, which we can then take a screenshot of right here and then actually add over here on Flova. So we're going to come over here. We're going to actually add these shorts in here, and this will now actually be able to go through and do this for us using this skill right here. And guess what? You could use this for your own products to be able to advertise them more effectively, or you could essentially spin up an agency with this, which used to cost you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars to do in the past. But now with just a $19 membership, you could get started and be able to create creative for brands, and they'll pay you thousands of dollars for creating this. And look at this. This is literally going to go through and do all the work for us. And now just like this has actually gone through and this has created this right here. And we could see exactly what this looks like right here, which is incredible because it added in a human. He's wearing these exact shorts right here. And this is great. Now, guess what? If we wanted to change this in any way, we would literally just come over here, tell it that we wanted it to regenerate it. We wanted to edit it. We wanted to change it, and boom, it'll go through and actually do that. And this makes it incredibly easy for you to be able to make multiple different variations to be able to sell the brand. And guess what? It required almost no work on my end, and if I want to change anything, I just do it with the click of a button, not having to hire employees, go back and forth with anybody, or spend hours editing the content myself. Now, the final use case and opportunity I want to show you here is actually going to be recreating famous movie scenes. We could see right here the people are doing it with Barbie. They got over 2 million views. People are doing it with this. They got over 5 million views. People are doing it with iconic movie scenes, over 800,000 views, and the same exact thing for TV shows. You could just choose your favorite movie, your favorite TV show, and go through and recreate those scenes. And guess what? You can actually create a living doing this because YouTube is going to pay you for videos like this. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and get started with Flova AI today. Because the second you sign up, you're going to get 200 free credits, which makes this a no-brainer to start using because you could use this tool to start making money with AI.